Here we have a 2018 Ford Transit with 62,000 miles. This one is a XBT, so being maintained well throughout its life. Full service history and so on. It's got the rear step with the security locks into the back with the full shelving, full of workshop styling. We have a swing lift here, got a heater, microwave, so on, with LED lights to the roof. This one has had its wet belt done, also comes with a major service and 12 months MOT. As you can see by the van, it's nice and clean throughout. Into the interior, we've got 2 front seats. This is the 2, not the 3 seat option. These tend to move very fast, these vans. You can't seem to keep hold of them. So if you're interested in this van, move fast, it won't hang about. We've got no rips, no tears in the seat. Got 2 keys with it. This will come with our standard 3 months warranty and can be delivered anywhere in the UK. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop us a message or give us a call.